Josh here at MarineMax in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to look at our new 2023 Aviara AV32. As the Aviara likes to say, luxury lives here. Let me show you why. Starting here in the transom of the boat, very large swim platform. In addition to the swim platform, there is a mechanical swim platform that will swing out underneath. You wanted to sit in the water, a couple inches deep. It's a great place to hang out with the family. You got the controls for that swim platform right here in the transom as you're walking in. You also have your entry lights, which is pretty cool. Over here, you have your battery switches and your fuses, very easy to access, right underneath that seat. Continue to step forward. As we go through the boat, one thing you will notice, speakers everywhere. This boat's powered by Clip Stereo, one of the best sound systems I've ever heard on a boat. It really is built for entertaining. You got the red, green, blue LED lighting package. You can put any color that you want. It makes it really great to have at night, go to dinner with your friends. You got a nice prep station over here. You have your fridge, and then you have your sink. You got some wine bottle holders over here. You put some ice in there, keeps everything nice and cool. In addition to the fridge and the sink, you have this cool little cooler drawer. So this is insulated, as you can see it's thick. It drains out. You can put ice in there, you can put wine, you can put your drinks for the day. It's a really cool feature that Aviara has. Notice plenty of seating throughout the boat, seats everywhere. And what Aviara does different from every other brand, they have a cool feel touch vinyl, and it's soft to the hand. It's something you should come in and experience for yourself because, as I said, it's different than other brands. Before we move too forward, this does have the extendable sunshade. This will extend past the rear sun pad here, so if you want an additional shade on a hot day, this thing with the touch-up button will extend. So we move to the helm. This boat is the IO package with Ilmor motors. It does come with the joystick. Easy to drive, easy to dock, a very sought after option that many people look for. At the dash, you have the Simrad multifunction display screen, and to the left and the right, you have a couple other screens. The one to the right is your engine information. The one to your left is your boat information. That's where you control the lighting, you control the sound, you control some other features of the boat. So we continue to move forward. This boat does have a large size head. It is 32 feet, but look at how big this head is. You have plenty of room. It could be great for storage or anything else you need throughout the day. We'll continue to move forward to the bow. And as you notice, the gunnels on this boat are super high. You really sit deep in the boat. You really feel comfortable. If you were going to have kids or anything else out here, they're so deep in the boat you can feel safe for a day on the water, even if it gets a little choppy. It's just a really great boat. Great for entertaining, great to take the friends, family to dinner. Come down to MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. We have an AV32 on stock. We have an AV36. We'd love to show them to you. My name is Josh. We can be reached at 631-424-2710. Ask for myself or any of our team members. Be happy to help you. Thank you for stopping by.